This video is going to show you how to do your comments in the Markbook section of Aspen. We can see I'm already signed in here. I'm in the Markbook section. I'm in the Score Side tab, and I've selected grade 6 as my particular subject that I'm going to write the comments for. Always double check that your grade columns and your term drop-downs are the appropriate drop-downs selected for the reporting period for which you are writing your reports. Once you have double checked that your evaluation, your letter grades in this particular reporting period, which is the winter reporting period 1, are uppercase letters and they're all accepted, and that you've identified which students are ESL and which students have an IEP, you can move on to writing your comments. Comments go in this column here titled S1 TXT with the green push pin. And we can see that in each of the rows is a little piece of paper with a pencil. To get into writing your comments, you can click on it, and it's going to open up a comment box. So there are a couple things we have to make note of in here. First of all, the student name is at the top. Always make sure you're writing the appropriate comment for that student. We have the save button, which means we have to click save if we want our comment to stick to that particular student. We have our Save Forward button, which will allow us to save the comment and move on to the next student. And if you don't want to save, you can click Cancel. Over here, we have our character count. It's important to note that each subject has its own different character count, and whatever is stated at the bottom of your comment box is the appropriate character count for that particular subject. We also have a spell check here. So there are 3 ways that we can enter comments for a student. The first way is to type. So I'm going to just type a quick comment in the comment box here. After I finished typing this comment, I realized that this is a generic math comment that I want to apply to everybody. So I can use our fill down option to apply this comment to everybody. So I'm going to click Save. And when I do that, I can see that there is now writing on that little piece of paper identifying that there is a comment attached for this student. So with that particular row selected, I'm going to choose my options and I'm going to choose fill down, and we'll see that now every student has a comment associated to them. And when I click in to go see, we can see that every student now has that particular comment. So the second way that we can add comments is we can copy and paste from a doc. So I'm going to open up the comment box for Victor. I'm going to go over to my Google Doc, and I already have a comment that I've written in here. And I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to paste that comment in. When I'm finished doing that, I can click Save, and now that particular comment for Victor has been saved. The third way we can enter comments for a particular student is by using our pre-built comments from the comment builder. That is, to access those comments, there's a little arrow in the top right corner of the comment box. When I click on it, it brings up all the comments that I've made, and I can even search for comments. And I can apply the comment simply by clicking. When I do that, I'm going to move the arrow back over, and then I'm going to click Save. And we can see that that comment has now been saved for this particular student. So I hope this video showed you the 3 ways that you can add a comment for each of your students. Thanks for watching.